Welcome to episode 4 of Christopher Reads the Help File, the boring video series where no one really wants to listen or watch. In this episode, it's Getting Started, Grading Workflow. Refer to this section for high-level descriptions of the most common grading tasks you might perform when working with grading in Autodesk Civil 3D. Topics in this section include workflow to set up gradings, workflow to create gradings, and workflow to output grading information. I'm missing hope and wish that your gradings don't crash the drawings, or one day you open up your gradings and they're all gone, because it's not in here. And it's also no wait for them to get processed when you open up your drawing. This section provides high-level descriptions of grading-related tasks you might perform during the early stages of a project. Before you begin, save time and effort in the design and drafting phase by doing some setup tasks. Establish and save grading criteria as a collection of values for commonly used slope methods and projections. Then apply saved criteria to any grading you create. Establish grading settings. Define the units of measurement for all gradings. Create grading styles. Grading styles determine how gradings appear in the drawing. Define grading criteria. Grading criteria predefine the methods and projections for grading. Okay. This section provides high-level descriptions of grading-related tasks you might perform during the design phase of a project after completing the setup tasks. Create feature lines. Convert existing objects, draw parcel lot lines or feature lines, or export feature lines from corridor models. Create grading groups. Use grading groups to organize the baseline geometry and to control the interaction of grading objects. Create the grading. Use the grading creation tools. Modify the grading as required. Use commands on the grading menu or the grading creation tools. I guess it's okay. There's a lot of steps that's kind of missing, like go back in and correct the surface where the gradings don't merge together because it does it horribly, where it kind of like interpolates it rather than using nice crisp gradings like you created. It goes through and does a bunch of crap. This section provides high-level descriptions of grading-related tasks that you might perform during the later stages of a project. Select grading group, surface creation. Surfaces creating from grading can be used to generate surface analysis displays. Edit grading styles. Use styles to establish the display of grading and surface. Plot and publish the drawings. Prepare and plot grading drawings. For more information, see the AutoCAD help. Produce reports. Use the Autodesk Civil 3D Reports feature to produce reports that include cut and fill volumes. So they're missing the steps. First, before producing reports. And we'll go ahead and submit that feedback. And so this has been episode 4, Getting Started, Grading Workflows.